Hi, I'm Chef Ed Brown. Today I'm going to show you how to make Ajo Blanco, or white gazpacho, featuring Spanish Arbequina olive oil. Starts out with blanched almonds. You really need a high-speed blender for this recipe. If you don't have one, lots of water. If you don't have one, you can run it as long as you can in the blender that you have and then pass it through a sieve. Main ingredient, garlic. And you could put more if you like. So we make a little bit on the mild side. Some sherry vinegar. We're just going to start that up. Make a paste. Now that's become somewhat smooth and creamy, we're going to start to add our bread. Any kind of rustic bread, leftover day-old bread is fine, into 1-inch cubes. This is what's going to give the soup the body. We're going to blend this till it's smooth. Add the rest of my bread, and certainly our most important ingredient, Arbequina olive oil. That's going to flavor the soup. It's also going to help emulsify the soup. So to finish the dish, we've blended our soup until it was smooth, refrigerated it so that it thicken up a little bit and come together. And we're ready to go. And just a very simple garnish. I'm using green grapes, green seedless grapes cut in half. Season them with a little bit of Arbequina olive oil. In this case, I'm using the Arbequina because it's more of a gentle, smooth flavor. The soup already has a lot of power in it. Just to get those seasoned with olive oil. And I put a good amount of those on the bottom as sort of the base, with a little surprise as you eat the dish. I'm going to add my soup. Yeah, beautiful creamy soup. And then we're going to take some more almonds. Just kind of float them on top. Some chiffonade of fresh mint. I like to get a little bit everywhere. And then of course, to finish the dish, a good drizzle of our Arbequina olive oil. And there's our Ajo Blanco white gazpacho featuring Arbequina olive oil. This dish was made with extra virgin Spanish olive oil. Taste the truth.